Welcome to TLH Patterns. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet a pretty shawl which measures about 12 inches wide and 65 inches long. The length can be adjusted. I have a written pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Please like, share and subscribe. Now let's see what all you will need to make this shawl. You will need about 400 to 420 meters of medium worsted weight or category 4 yarn. Along with it, you will need a 5 mm crochet hook and a yarn needle. Now let's start. First make a slip knot and then work 53 chains. Now to make the first row, skip 4 chains from the hook and work a double crochet in the 5th chain. Chain 1, skip the next 3 chains and work 3 double crochets in the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next 3 chains and in the next chain make a double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Then chain 1, skip the next 3 chains and 3 double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, 3 double crochet in the next chain. Repeat across. You will have 4 chains left at the end. Now chain 1, skip the next 3 chains and work a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the last chain. Okay, this is the end of row 1. So only at the beginning and end it is double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Now we'll start the next row with chain 3, turn and work 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 1, now you will work a double crochet in the second double crochet of the next 3 stitches. Chain 1 and then in the next chain 3 space work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 and now in the second double crochet make a double crochet. Then chain 1 into the next chain 3 space, work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. You will repeat this across. Now chain 1 and double crochet in the second double crochet, chain 1 and then 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. Finally, you will finish the row with 4 double crochets in the last stitch. Now let's start row 3 with chain 3 and work a double crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 1 and in the next double crochet after the chain 1 space, work double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Then chain 1 and into the next chain 2 space, work 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 and in the next double crochet, work double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this across. Complete the row with 2 double crochets in the last stitch. You have 4 stitches. In the last stitch, work 2 double crochets. We'll start the next row with chain 4. This counts as a double crochet and chain 1. And then in the next chain 3 space, work 3 double crochets, 2 chain and 3 double crochets. Three double crochets followed by 2 chain and 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 and work a double crochet in the second double crochet of the next 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 and into the next chain 3 space, work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Chain 1, double crochet in the second double crochet of the next 3 stitches. Repeat this across. Finish the row with a double crochet in the last stitch. Next is row 5. Start with chain 4. This counts as a double crochet and chain 1. Make a double crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 1 and work 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. Chain 2 space. Chain 1 and work double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet in the next single double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. Chain 1, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet in the next double crochet. Repeat this across. At the end, work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the last stitch. That is, skip the next chain and into the next chain. Work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. So these last 4 rows are the rows that will be repeated throughout the second, third, fourth and fifth. So repeat rows 2, 3, 4 and 5 as many times as required. After completing, you will need to block your shawl to open up the stitches. After blocking, the length and width of your shawl will also increase. The measurement that I said earlier is after blocking. So obviously before blocking, your shawl will be smaller. Now I'll show you how to work the bobble fringe. You will finish with row 5 and now work chain 5 and into the third chain from the hook you will work 4 double crochets together. Skip the first and the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and insert hook in the next chain. Grab yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert hook in the same chain. Grab yarn, pull through the chain, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat this 2 more times. Once more. Now yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops on the hook. Chain 2 and work a slip stitch in the same chain. This forms a bobble. Now chain 3. Make a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. You're going to repeat this across. Chain 5. Double crochet 4 stitches together in the third chain from the hook. Chain 2, slip stitch in the same chain. Then chain 3, single crochet in the second double crochet of the next 3 double crochets. So repeat this across. Repeat it on the other end also. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the pattern and please subscribe. The return pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. All the links are provided in the description box and the comment section below.